Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Me Fresh. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel to be part of the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Have you ever wondered why your crochet comes out in different styles and different methods, and you're like, oh, why is this crochet like this? It's different from the other one. If you've ever thought like that, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you why your crochet comes out differently. I'm using these DIY lace nets for this tutorial. If you observe, this net has different holes, which is normal, and the hole is vertical and horizontal holes, which we ventilate. Okay, this is one of the ways which we ventilate. I call this one vertical method. As you can see, I'm ventilating this vertically, and this is what I'm going to be doing till I approach the line. With this method, it gives a different kind of crochet which we are going to be comparing in this video to know the one that is best for crochet or the one you want. So let's just see how this one looks like. Step 1. In this one, I'm ventilating horizontally after I've given the line, which is the center line. Okay, this is how ventilating horizontally looks like. This one a kind of look bigger to compare with the vertical one. This is one of the one I ventilated horizontally. The previous one was a curly one, and this one is a straight hair. You can compare it yourself. This is a vertical one and the other one is horizontal one. Thank you guys for staying through. Bye.